Some people are angry. Yes. Not because you hurt them. They are angry because what they wished for you didn't happen. They smiled at you, but deep down, they wanted you to fail. They waited to see you fall, but you're still standing. They expected your plans to scatter, but God held you together. They thought you would beg them, but you moved on without them. That's why they're mad. That's why they gossip. Not because you did wrong, but because you proved them wrong. They prayed for your tears, but God gave you joy. They expected you to break, but you became stronger. Now every time they see you, it burns them inside. Listen, don't apologize for surviving. Don't shrink to make them comfortable. Let them stay mad. Let them keep hating. Because their problem is not you. Their problem is that God didn't answer their evil wish. And guess what? He never will. Keep rising. Let your success be your reply. Drop a yes if you agree with this message and join our community for more. God bless.